welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. It's a super exciting one because we are going to be making my first ever vision board, and that is so exciting. It's 16th of January and I was meaning to do this video since a while now, but because of all the things in between I could not make it happen. But today I was like, I had to put it out there. Actually, I have made already a digital vision board on my Pinterest. So yeah, it looks something like this. I think making a vision board with cutouts and then sticking it on the paper, it is like more exciting. So yeah, I just thought that I had to make this one as well. This is my first time making vision board. I have never done it before, but this year I thought to give it a try. So yeah, let's make it together first and then we can discuss about it. This is what it looks like. I am pretty happy with how it turned out. It's very simple. Now I think everyone knows how to make a vision board. I just went on the Pinterest and on the Google and I just searched for the images which I was looking for specifically, and then I downloaded them and got it print out, and then I got this small canvas. I personally did not want to make it like a big thing because I wanted it to be compact, and then I just went all out wherever I just felt like there's no color scheme, there's no initially I was thinking of making everything in pink, but then it was making a little bit difficult for me to find all of those images in proper aesthetic. So I just went with the flow, and I think this looks super cute and good also. I loved it, and let's discuss what this all is about. So starting with the first thing here, I really want to build up a good space specifically in my room for the videos and in general also, which giving like a peaceful and calming vibe. So that is this. Then this picture signifies like four girls, which obviously are my friends, and I really want to go on a trip with them. We just mostly hang out at each other's place, and I really want to change that. I mean, nothing wrong in that, but still I want to go out. Actually, we all want to go out and explore new places. So this picture is about that. Then this one is obviously about the vlogging and the editing stuff. I really want to do more vlogs this year, more editing in terms of upgrading editing. This picture is the cute one when I want to visit a lot of religious places in India this year. That is quite on my list. So yeah, this signifies that. Then here is the self-care thing, which I really did not used to do much in my previous years, but this year I really want to take on that journey. Then this year is obviously Varanasi. I really want to visit Varanasi. I want to do a lot of travel this year because I think I have never done a lot of traveling because of the time constraints and also because of the education and the work and all of that stuff. But this year I really want to change that. There's a book here, so I really want to do reading also more. Then here another place that is quite on my list is Vrindavan. At any cost I want to visit Vrindavan this year. I really want to do a lot of collaborations this year. I am really willing to get on the PR list. This signifies this free spirit, and I really want to just be in a calming mode. I don't want to stress over things which doesn't really matters. So that is about this picture. I really want to grow this year in terms of YouTube and also on Instagram. So 10K is the goal, and I am really hoping that I will make this happen. Then here is Udaipur. For some reason, this was not on my list, but I just felt like always like admired like the architecture and everything of Udaipur and the aesthetic of it. So I really want to visit that place also. Then here is the driving. I have learned driving. I have a license, but obviously I do not have enough practice, so I am not like confident in driving. So I really want to change that thing. Then here is a small compact makeup, which are like high-end makeup, and I really want to invest in high-end makeup this year, and I hope I'll be able to do that. I really want to make it like very compact, very minimal makeup. I want to invest in equipments and the setup. So this picture is all about that. And here is just a romantic picture. So yeah, it is just more romance in life. And then here, so I've been going to gym since a long time now, and I really wanted to start. This is all about my vision board, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Then there are these quotes here. I am in my glow up era, you can do it. And then career growth, obviously I'm prioritizing career growth this year. I am grateful for that, for all that I have. I'm grateful for all that I have. Has always been on my mind. Nothing new. I've always been grateful. I am grateful every day for everything, for the smallest bit of it. Also, I have this book called Manifest Dive Deeper, and I just found this book randomly, and I had actually got this one for my friend Nitisha on her birthday because she loves to read book, and I found this one like at a fair, and then coincidentally she already had it. So yeah, then it was like this book was for me, and then I kept it. So I've been reading this one. It is very simple, easy, but has like a deeper meaning, and it basically is a guide on how you can manifest your things, your goals and everything. You have like certain copies to write also. So yeah, that is like little exercises that this book offers, and I think it's a really good book if you really want to know more about manifestation and everything. So yeah, I've been reading this one. I believe that if you put your energy into certain things, that will happen, and everything has energies around us, and I believe in that. So I believe in my vision board, and I think it is also essential that I work and I take those small steps every day if I want to make this vision board come alive. I think with that we have come towards the end of this. I really wanted to do this video since a while now. Guys, I hope you liked watching this one, and let me know what are the things that y'all are going to do this year, what are the things that y'all are going to prioritize. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram. I'm being quite active there, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then,